Tilal al Ghaf construction update late October 2021. As you can see over to the left, the construction begins and it's doing very, very well. This is the very first phase. Townhouses that launched 2 years ago from 1.3 million dirham. As you can see, construction's looking good. And the first owners should be moving in by the end of next year at the current construction timing. But just wanted to bring you this construction update for those of you that are looking to own in Tilal al Ghaf or already do. And we have new launches coming now with villas and more properties. So if you're interested to get some more details, get in touch. And this is the realtor that will keep you the most updated with the construction as it progresses here at Tilal al Ghaf. You can see now coming in. Here we go. I know a lot of you have been asking me how the construction is doing. Majid al Futtaim is one of the best developers. I personally bought a property from them in Oman, off plan, just like these, over 10 years ago. Moved into my property after 3 years, lived there for 2 years, was very, very happy indeed, and then left and sold the property and made money. So this is absolutely a no-brainer.